Hello and welcome to the Virtual Girls Engineering the Future Day for 2021. Today we are going to be building a drone at home with university drone pilots at the University of Houston and the Cullen College of Engineering. University Drone Pilots is a student organization dedicated to teaching people how to build, fly, and maintain drones. But what are drones? Drones are robots designed to operate in the air, and they come in a variety of shapes and sizes. There are generally two types of drones, fixed wing and multi-rotors. Multi-rotors are drones that use propellers to lift themselves into the air. Fixed wing drones use wings to provide the lift needed to fly. We measure fixed wing drones by their wingspan, the length of their wing, and we measure multi-rotors by the size of their propeller. To start, you will need corrugated cardboard like you would find on a cardboard box, a copy of the blueprints which can be found on page 5.
You will also need tape or some sort of adhesive,
A scissor, a rubber band, and anything you want to use to decorate your drone with. If you have access to fun tools like laser cutters or CNC machines, ask your teacher or parent to cut them out for you using the cutter, but otherwise, take the scissors and begin cutting out all of the pieces. If you are the parent or instructor, please read the lab manual for additional information. Once you have all of the pieces cut out or separated from your plate, plate them all together so you can see what you're working with. Nice! Okay. Start by placing the tail piece into the main fuselage, the body piece. Then insert the main wing into the slot on the front. And finally attach the two remaining body pieces together, one on each side. When you finish, test fly it to make sure it's working. After the test flight, be sure to tape or glue the vehicle here, here, and here so the vehicle does not fall apart. Also, glue or tape the launcher together so you can use it to use the rubber band to launch the vehicle. Now that you've built your first drone, you can start taking on the world by completing challenges and tasks. Members of our student organization have come up with some, so we challenge you to complete them.
Hi, I'm John Liu, University Drone Pilot's designated medic. And today I am challenging you to deliver medical supplies with your drone. So in order to deliver medical supplies, you'll have to attach this band-aid onto the drone. And you can insert this in a number of ways. The way I prefer to do it is to put it between the lining of the fuselage.
Hi, my name is Carson Rayner, Vice President of the University of Houston Drone Pilots. I challenge you to take the airplane that you built and race it with your friends.
I'm Kelly, and I'm a member of University Drone Pilots. Remember to always look up the rules for operating drones before you fly. Drone law is very new, so it's extremely complicated and always changing. For some basics, remember that you can't fly higher than 400 feet, and you can never fly near airplanes, helicopters, or emergency operations. Also, you can never use your drone to harm another person, so don't throw your drone at someone.
We hope you had fun with our activity and that we inspired you to learn more about drones and unmanned aviation. Aerospace and robotics engineering are perfect subjects to be studying here at a university, and it's always great to learn about things that you can find fun or interesting. My name is Bernard, I'm the president of University Drone Pilots, and I hope you have a wonderful day.